He said, please don't lose your mind. Please don't lose your mind. Try to keep a little bit of sanity in time. As you spit in line, as you spit your emotions out on these fucking lines. Cause I like to write what I'm feeling. I like to write with everything that I'm dealing. Cause I deal the cards of the deck and it's pretty fucking hectic. Trying to realize everything is coming to me straightforward. And I'll never take a step back, cause that's bringing it back to the past. And memories won't last, but these words will burn down and fucking crash into a million pieces. When you are looking over the blue skies, trying to realize that you always try to stay high, cause the sky is our limit. Trying to get in it. 702 City of Sin, keep on sinning. This is Las Vegas. Born and raised is kind of outrageous, but I'm kind of stuck standing in this fucking desert, deserted, trying to be happy, but I'm hurted, cause my love is miles away. 288 miles, I think about it every day. But I try to stay happy, try to have patience, try to keep on waiting on the day that I see your face, on the day that you come to a better place. Try to erase every memory that made you live in your own misery. So stay positive, that's the way I like to live.